Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about tan x equal to sin x over cosine x. And secant of x, we have 1 over cosine x. This one we change by this one. Secant of x to the power of 3 we change by this one. Now if we combine and you got about sin x over cosine x to the power of 4. Next we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x du. You got about negative sin x dx. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative go to the left. So this one you got about u to the power of 4. Sin x dx we change by the negative du. So this one we have negative u to the power of negative number 4 du. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of negative number 4 plus 1 over negative number 4 plus 1. And we put about c. So negative number 4 plus 1, we have negative number 3. Similar for this one. Negative, negative, we simplify. And this one, I can put into 1 over 3 u to the power of 3. About u, that's about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.